You can tell you're in Carolina just by the sound. If this feels like home, hit follow. It's cicadas buzzing so loud it drowns your thoughts. It's frogs after a summer storm, turning the night into a choir. It's screen doors slamming, kids yelling barefoot through the yard. It's church bells on Sunday morning, and crickets reminding you when the sun's gone down. And no matter how far you've gone, the second you hear it again, you know exactly where you belong. Because here, the sound isn't just noise, it's memory, it's family, it's Carolina.